Keeping inner peace. Amidst a busy and tempting life, have you ever felt like your life is an endless whirlwind? Work, family, relationships, and even the temptations of the outside world, all pulling you in different directions, leaving you no time to pause and breathe. You might feel exhausted from all the pressure. You might feel lost in the relentless cycle of life, where everything seems to be chasing material goals, fame, or validation from others. But do you know something? Amid all this chaos, there's still a way to rediscover peace within your soul. Today, we will explore something that may seem difficult, but is absolutely essential: how to maintain inner peace in a busy and tempting life. This isn't just a philosophical question, it's the key to living a happier and more meaningful life. Welcome back to the Practical Karma channel. First, let's understand the concept of inner peace. What is inner peace? Inner peace isn't emptiness or the absence of thoughts. It's a state where the mind achieves balance, remains undisturbed by external factors, and stays fully aware in the present moment. In a world full of upheaval, inner peace is like a bright lamp in the darkness, guiding people through pressures, temptations, and suffering. To understand this better, let's delve into three main aspects. 1. Inner peace doesn't mean detaching from life. One common misconception about inner peace is that it involves withdrawing from reality, living in isolation, or abandoning all ambitions and emotions. In reality, inner peace doesn't require you to give up responsibilities, work, or the challenges of a busy life. Inner peace is about balance. You can still live in society, work, and face life's ups and downs without letting these factors overwhelm you. For example, when facing failure, instead of letting despair take over, you can accept it as part of life, learn from it, and move forward. Illustrative story. In Buddhism, the lotus flower, which grows out of muddy water yet rises clean and pure, symbolizes inner peace. Like the lotus, humans can live amidst life's chaos while maintaining purity and serenity in their souls. 2. Inner peace is the ability to remain unshaken by external factors. Modern life constantly presents unending temptations and pressures. Temptations from material wealth, money, and fame. Pressures from work, family, and relationships. Disruptions from social media, news, and opposing opinions. Inner peace doesn't mean rejecting these factors, but learning how to face them without letting them control your mind. Example. Imagine standing in the middle of a noisy crowd where everyone is arguing and shouting. Inner peace is when you can hear all those sounds, but remain unaffected by them, maintaining the calmness within your mind. Core principle. In Buddhist philosophy, this is referred to as equanimity. The mind is like a sturdy mountain, unshaken by the winds of greed, anger, or ignorance. 3. Inner peace is mindfulness in the present moment. A core element of inner peace is living in the present, free from regrets about the past and excessive worries about the future. Why is living in the present important? Most of the anxiety and stress people experience come from a divided mind. When we dwell too much on the past, we often feel regret, sadness, or resentment. When we worry about the future, we become tense, anxious, and lose control. Inner peace is the ability to focus on the present moment, the only time where we can truly experience and live. Practice exercise. One way to achieve mindfulness in the present is to practice meditation. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath. Simply inhale, exhale, and feel each breath. You'll notice your mind gradually calming down and becoming more peaceful. Understanding the opposite. When the mind is not at peace. To better appreciate the value of inner peace, let's examine its opposite state. When the mind is unsettled, stress and anxiety. When the mind is not at peace, you're easily swept away by negative emotions like anger, sadness, or fear. These emotions not only harm you, but also affect those around you. They have a significant impact on your mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. Loss of control. An unpeaceful mind is often influenced by external factors. For instance, when someone criticizes you, instead of staying calm, you might easily become angry or feel hurt. This not only harms your emotional balance, but can also affect your physical health. Sometimes, reacting impulsively is exactly what the criticizer intends. Living without purpose. When the mind is constantly unsettled, you lose the ability to focus on life's core values. You chase short-term goals, fleeting temptations, and forget what truly makes you happy. This can lead to giving up or losing inspiration in your work and relationships. 5. Inspiring stories from history. To understand how to maintain inner peace, let's revisit 5 stories from history. Powerful examples of finding serenity amidst challenging circumstances. Gautama Buddha, abandoning royal temptations to seek truth. Prince Siddhartha, born into luxury, gave up everything to seek enlightenment. He realized that true happiness doesn't come from wealth or power, but from understanding and letting go. The story of the Buddha teaches us a profound lesson. No matter the circumstances, when we focus on life's core values, we can maintain inner peace. Confucius, staying calm amid political and social chaos. Confucius didn't let political failures discourage him. Instead, he devoted himself to teaching moral values, laying the foundation for East Asian culture for thousands of years. He taught that self-cultivation is the first step to achieving inner peace. Nelson Mandela, maintaining peace in prison. Imprisoned for 27 years, Nelson Mandela didn't let injustice destroy his belief in peace. Instead of harboring hatred, he chose forgiveness and reconciliation. This demonstrates that inner peace isn't about giving up, but finding strength within to overcome adversity. Zen Master Thich Nhat Hanh, stillness amid war. Amid the chaos of war, Thich Nhat Hanh maintained stillness and brought mindfulness to millions. He taught that with just a single mindful breath, we can find peace. Steve Jobs, simplicity and focus in a complex world. Steve Jobs wasn't just a visionary, but also a practitioner of meditation. He believed that simplicity, in both thought and design, was the key to success. How can we maintain inner peace in modern life? Here are 5 practical methods you can apply today. Practice mindfulness. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes each day sitting still and focusing on your breath. This helps calm your mind and ease your worries. Let go of unnecessary things. Ask yourself, is this really important? Learn to let go of negative emotions and meaningless desires. Live simply. Don't get caught up in the race for material wealth or fame. Focus on what truly makes you happy. Cultivate gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This shifts your mind toward positive thoughts. Learn to forgive. Forgiveness isn't for others, it's for yourself. Don't let resentment steal your peace. Conclusion. A journey toward peace. Dear friends, maintaining inner peace isn't something you achieve in a single day. It's a journey to understand yourself, to live more meaningfully, and to find tranquility in every moment. Remember, life may be busy, full of pressure and temptations, but amidst all the chaos, you can still find a quiet space, a place where your soul can rest and be renewed. That is inner peace. Start your journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more meaningful lessons about life. Wishing you peace and serenity always.